Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the AI sway dance filter on TikTok. Okay, so I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, we have to go to effect gallery. Okay, here on the bottom, tap on it. Then in the trending section, you should see this filter here. If you can't see the filter here, what you can do, tap on the search. Then search for AI sway dance. Okay, the first one with 28.6 million videos. This is the effect we are going to use. Tap on it. Okay, now you can browse the picture from your camera roll. Okay, once you browse the picture from your camera roll, it will add the effect. Wait, I'll show you how it will be. Okay, just a second. Okay, you will get a result like this. Suppose you are not getting the effect from the effect gallery, also you can go to your For You page and here search for AI sway dance. You will see many videos with this effect. Just tap on any video you want, or on the top row also you will see the effect. Just tap there, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there and you can use the effect. In case of video, just okay, on the bottom left corner of the video you will see the effect icon. It's in yellow. Tap there. Same, you will be directed to the effect page. You can tap on use this effect and use the effect. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can use this AI sway dance filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.